Listen, you may never hear a sound like this ever again. This creepy sound is an asteroid hitting Mars, recorded by NASA's InSight lander Christmas Eve 2021, and spotted later by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The impact left a crater almost 500 feet wide, and threw boulders of water ice just all over the place. This is surprising because we haven't spotted ice boulders this close to the Martian equator before, where summer temperatures can actually get above freezing. Ice is of particular interest because of the role water plays in the formation of life. Plus, if we end up going there, we can use it to make oxygen we can breathe, hydrogen to burn in rockets, water to mix with our drinks, and ice to make sure those drinks stay refreshingly cold. Everything we need to survive interplanetary travel. But there's a problem. Asteroids hit planets all the time, but the InSight lander is dying. Being on Mars for 4 years has taken its toll, and the solar panels are too covered with Martian dust to keep the batteries charged. NASA has decided to operate the scientific equipment, drawing even more power, as it is unlikely the lander will survive much longer anyway. They want to squeeze out every bit of data they can before the lander finally goes cold near the end of this year. Potentially, ironically, near Christmas Eve. Running out of power will spell the end of the lander's lithium-ion batteries. Unable to keep itself warm, the frigid Martian winter will kill it deader than that old iPod you left in a drawer for too long. Mars may be one of the most hospitable places in the solar system outside of Earth, but make no mistake, it still wants to kill you and every piece of machinery we send there.